is, it's me. Um, this is my jungle. As you see, grass hasn't been mowed, but kind of feels like a jungle, don't it? Anyway, I just want to get on here real quick, just to let everybody know kind of what's going on. Some of you may notice we changed the channel name. Um, yeah, I just want to do something different. I don't know. What was it? We called it I called it nomadic drifter. I don't feel like that's who I am no more. So I just kind of want to change the name. Uh, Now that I sit here talking about it, I'm starting to do the thought process on it. But yeah, we changed it to Life on the Highway, or I changed it actually. But that's kind of what it is now. Uh, we live on the highway. We live full time in RVs, so I don't feel like I'm drifting anymore, so to speak. So I just want to change it. But anyway, I'm getting way off. My brain's like going 100 mile an hour. So yeah, some of y'all noticed we changed the channel name. And what else is going on? Yes, we got our new rig. We're in the process of changing rigs. I haven't showed it yet. I know I keep saying, oh, in a week we're going to show you. In a week we're going to show you. I haven't showed you yet. I will, I promise. Most of you already know what it is. Man, I'm trying to get away from mosquitoes. There's the little Winnebago, if you can see it. We're not going to be in it no more. We've gotten something bigger, a little nicer. And, something a little bigger, a little nicer. Yeah. Well, I'll just go ahead and tell you. We got another travel trailer. She's going to be mad I done told you, but we got us another travel trailer. I'm still not going to show it to you because I got to wait for her. We haven't moved in it yet. Still got some stuff we got to do to it. It's really nice. It's new, or newer, not. It's not 2020 or nothing, but it's really new and it's nice. We got to change a few things the previous owner done. We're going to do a little remodel in it. It's got it's 2-bedroom, but it's got the back bedrooms like bunk beds and all that. We're going to, change all that. So we got some stuff we want to change and do before we show it. And the mosquitoes are eating me alive out here. It's been raining all day. This is we're in an RV park. Can't see through the fence there, but there's RVs all over there. That's the little Winnebago. We're back here in our little jungle. But the mosquitoes live back here too. And right now they're bothering me. They normally don't bother me, but right now they're tearing me up. But anywho, I'm getting sidetracked by a bug. Yeah, we got 61 days, I think, before we leave, before we hit the road. We're here working our summer jobs. I'm doing the same job I do every summer, working on the golf course, and she's got her job on another state park, a different one than the one I'm on. She's working it, but we got 61 days until we're out of here. That sounds like a long time, but we got such a long list of things we got to get done, stuff we got to do to get ready to go, and it's kind of been stressing me out lately. It's really not that big of a deal. I just like to really be prepared when I hit the road and feel like I'm running out of time already. But yeah, we got a lot to do. But I'm ready to go. I've been here long enough. I enjoy this area. It's actually my home area, but by the time we leave, we've been here 4 months, I think. And I'm ready to go by then. I'm ready to get gone. But yeah, we got 61 more days. We're taking off, headed up north to work our other jobs we do up north. I don't know. We're actually adding a third job this time up north, so we're not gonna have a lot of time between leaving here and getting to that next job. But we're going to try to do a little camping, a few places before we get up there. It's going to be a busy winter. We got got a lot of work lined up. But come January, we're taking off. You know, we're done working. We're gonna take a few months off. Don't really know where we're going yet, but we're gonna go somewhere. That's really about it. Haven't really had much to show you or much to talk about. It's just been, I get up at 4 o'clock, go to work most of the day, come back and bum around, you know, do what I do best. But so there ain't been a whole lot to show. That we're trying to save all of our money, so we're not really going nowhere or spending a bunch of money or anything like that. So yeah, it's not been very exciting, but that's one of the reasons why I come here, to make money to get ready for the next trip. So either way, this is what we've been looking at for several months, or I've been looking at, and it looks kind of junky right here. You have to excuse the junk. This is belonged to the previous owners that had this little spot. So yeah, looks a little rough. Anyhow, I'm supposed to have this grass mowed and I ain't done it yet. Well, camera don't show it. It's been raining all day. It's dark and dreary and cloudy, but it's not raining right now, so I thought it'd come out. And I'm kind of keeping you pinned up in this corner because I don't want to show our new rig. You know, I gotta wait for her. And the inside needs to be cleaned up. Well, it's clean, but it's kind of cluttered right now. We got, you know, straighten it up in there. And you know, we got some changes. Like I said, we got some changes we're gonna make to it. So the inside, it ain't nothing to look at right now anyway. I mean, it's nice. It's not tore up and all that. It's just cluttered. And we're fixing to do some remodeling, so yeah, I may show you before and after. You know, before we get started, I may show it to you, and then after we get it remodeled, so to speak, let you see that. But other than that, that's been about it. Not much going on, just working and hanging out and trying to save that money, so take off down the road again. Other than that, yeah, I think that's about it. But anyway, I just wanted to let y'all know about the name change. If you see it, if you noticed it, or if you haven't yet, so it don't confuse you. Well, yeah, we've changed the name of the channel. I think you can still find us by searching Nomadic Drifter, but it'll eventually change because I've already changed the title, the name of the channel. But I think you still get to it by putting Nomadic Drifter, I think. I haven't got in there and changed my URL yet. I need to get that done. But yeah, I believe that's it. I'm going to jump off here. I just want to get on and say hello and let everybody know what was going on, and just be patient. It's going to be a few more days, but we're going to take off. And we'll start showing you some more trees and rocks. All right? All right. Till I see you next time. God bless you. Oh, wait a minute. No, I can't show you the name of it. All right, we'll see y'all later. Have a good day and God bless you.